Forget electricity. This coffee machine runs on steam, a marvel of engineering and creativity. It's straight out of a steampunk dream. Here's how it works. This little steam tank builds up pressure just like an old locomotive. The pressure drives a pipe connected to a mechanism that powers the coffee grinder. Fresh coffee beans are grounded perfectly, then dropped onto a conveyor belt. No buttons, no cords, just the magic of steam. The coffee grounds are transported to this pot, where hot water brews the perfect cup. And the best part? When your coffee is ready, it whistles, just like a steam engine pulling into a station. Steam-powered coffee, proof that ingenuity knows no bounds.